Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gemma Faye. Today I'm making a donut. Um, I will post the description below. This is it's a baking powder donut. It's not a yes machine. So when I'm done, this is how it look. And I'm using this new one from I ordered this in Amazon, and it's very convenient. So I start using I start going my donut here now. You see, started. This is the little one from the metal, and there you go. It's just started to make sure the thing is hot enough. All right, I'll let you know in a few minutes. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. And wait, I'm gonna put the description. This is where I get the recipe. I get this over here. Okay, there you go. All right, that's it. You see how they come out. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Bye.